If you are over 40 with little or no savings, the first question is not, how do I get rich? The first question is, how do I stop making this worse? Because the real danger is not just being behind. The real danger is avoidance. You stop checking the numbers. You delay the bills. You ignore the debt. You tell yourself, I'll deal with it later. But later keeps getting more expensive. So today, we are not doing shame. We are not doing panic. We are doing a simple reset you can start this week. You will learn 3 things: how to take a money snapshot, how to find your safety number, and how to close one financial leak. Welcome to Still Becoming After 40, a channel for people rebuilding their money mindset, confidence, and future one honest step at a time. Let's get into it. First, take a money snapshot. Not a full budget, not a perfect financial plan, just a snapshot. Open your Notes app and write down 3 numbers. Money coming in. Money that must go out. Money you already owe. That is it. Do not judge the numbers. Do not try to fix everything yet. Just look, because you cannot rebuild a life you refuse to measure. And if the numbers scare you, that does not mean you failed. It means you finally have the truth in front of you. Now, the second step is finding your safety number. Most people say, I need more money. But that is too vague. More money could mean anything. So ask a better question. What number do I need this month to feel stable? Let's use a simple example. Rent, $1,200. Light and water, $150. Food, $400. Transport, $120. Phone, $50. Debt minimums, $200. Medication, $100. That total is $2,220. Now add a small 10% buffer for real life, because something always comes up. That gives you a safety number of about $2,442. That number is not luxury. It is stability. Your number may be smaller. It may be bigger, but you need to name it. Because money fear grows when everything is unclear. Once you know the number, you are no longer fighting a fog. You have a target. Now the third step is closing one leak, not 10. 1. Look for the thing quietly draining your money. A subscription you forgot about, late fees, bank charges, takeout, impulse purchases, high-interest debt. Helping people when you are already struggling. Pick one leak this week and close it. Cancel it. Reduce it. Call about it. Avoid it. Renegotiate it. Do one thing that proves you are not powerless. Because when you are over 40 and starting late, you do not need a fantasy plan. You need proof that you can still change your behavior. That proof rebuilds confidence. And confidence matters because money problems are not only math problems, they are trust problems. You stop trusting yourself. You say, I always mess this up. You say, I'm too far behind. You say, what's the point now? But here's the truth. Starting late is not ideal, but staying frozen is worse. Maybe you made mistakes with money. Maybe life got expensive. Maybe you raised children, helped family, lost income, went through divorce, trusted the wrong person, or avoided the numbers for too long. But today, you do not need to punish yourself. You need to tell the truth, because shame keeps you stuck. Clarity gives you a next move, and one next move is enough to begin. So here is your simple action for today. Open your Notes app and write 4 lines. Money coming in. Money that must go out. Money I owe. One leak I can close this week. That is your reset, not a perfect plan. A starting point. And if you're over 40 and feeling financially behind, comment one word: starting. Because starting is the win today. Subscribe to Still Becoming After 40 for practical money mindset and financial reset videos for your next chapter. The change is worth it.